The best way to find the Constellation Draco is when the skies are clear. You first need to find the Big Dipper and then the North Star. Between the towel is the tip of the tail for Draco. The body goes between the two dippers and goes around the Little Dipper. The head is back towards the body. The 4 brightest stars are all in the giant stages, which they are Atlantis, which is 100.23 light years away from Earth. It is a G9-3, and the velocity is negative 24.710 plus or minus 0.6 kilometers per second. The next one is Eothian, is 147.59 light years away from Earth. It is a K53, and the velocity is negative 28.19 plus or minus 36.36. Restibin is 361.6 light years away from Earth. Is a G2. The velocity is negative 21 plus or minus 0.23. And the last one is Albion, is 65.23 light years away from Earth. It is a K5 plus 3. The velocity is negative 15.2 with plus or minus 0.20. There are 3 main deep space objects. That's the Cat Eye Nubia, which is the yellow spot, the Spindle Galaxy, which is the light blue spot, and the Tadpole Galaxy, which is a white spot. And these are all pictures of each one. You have the Spindle Galaxy on the left, and you have the Tadpole in the middle, and you have the Cat's Eye at the right. So the most frequent myth there is for this constellation is about Hercules. It is associated with the So it's about a golden apple tree that was a wedding present for Hera when she married Zeus. She planted it in a garden, and she had tasked Atlantis' daughters to guard it. Just to be on the safe side, she also blessed Draco, which is in the story, or the myth is also known as Aladdin, to help guard the garden. And help make sure nobody eats the apples. They also, so it deals with Hercules because of his 12 labors. One of the labors was he was asked to steal some golden apples. And Hercules was able to kill Aladdin with a poison arrow, and he took the apples. Because Hera was sad about his death, he put him in the sky as a consolation. And it's how it's put is Draco is usually depicted coiled around the North Pole with 1 foot of Hercules on his head. And I got most of my stuff from Wikipedia or the Constellation Guide. Thank you.